Our unit's been here since mid-February of 2021, so about 9 months. Right now, behind me, they're folding we call it folding the aircraft, but basically it's turning the blades so they're all lined up behind them so we can fit them all super close together on a boat.
We're removing certain pins so that way we can attach brackets that allow the blades to fold. This pin is going to come out, right? And it'll pivot on this one. Okay, it won't lag. Start moving it a little bit.
Lead it forward and lead it. 3, 2, 1, stop.
Port operations can take anywhere from a few days to about a week and a half for the actual download operations. As you can see behind me, we have helicopters that we have had to fly in and have their blades folded in order to reduce their size for getting onto the boat or to pack them in as much as possible to redeploy them back to the States.